okay, honey. It's not scary.
It's not scary.
Just could be time to go underwater. Look at the fishies.
I'm sorry, honey.
There's a uh-oh. There's a uh-oh, honey. Keep going. Here, take it in my daddy's hands.
Hello, explorers! For your safety, please remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs, and fins inside your shell. Sure to supervise your little explorer.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y aletas dentro del vehículo.
Come on. Come on. Liliana, come on.
Hello, explorers! For your safety, please remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs, and fins inside your shell.
Daniel, you ready?
Sure to supervise your little explorer.
Hey, Daniel.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos,
You ready, Liliana?
pies, piernas y aletas dentro del vehículo. Y no se olviden vigilar a los pequeñitos.
Hello, explorers! For your safety, please remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs, and fins inside your shell. Sure to supervise your little explorer.
Hola, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y aletas dentro del vehículo. Y no se olviden vigilar a los pequeñitos.
Hello, explorers! For your safety, please remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs, and fins inside your shell. Sure to supervise your little explorer.
Yeah, just the sharks from Nemo. The good sharks, remember? Now watch. Oh no, not again! Look at how pretty.
Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Where's Nemo?
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo! Come out, where are you?
Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
Nemo's swimming out the sea.
Pretty fishies.
I am looking for my son.
I can help. Oh, no!
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know where. That's why I'm trying to find.
I do.
Nemo, where are you, Nemo?
Where's Nemo?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like. Ooh,
Jellyfish!
right. Okay, now.
Dory, do something!
Hey, Snappy Dog.
Swim away!
You're not gonna lie. I don't know.
I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo! Why don't you comply for it? Welcome to the EAC!
This is awesome! Grab shell, Nemo! It's the AC! I've never been in the EAC before!
Look up there.
Check out the mini Marlin! Woohoo! Okay, little dudes, get ready to ride!
Remember, rip it, run, punch it!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay!
Come aboard, explorers.
Too many!
I'm Dory.
All of them are out there for me.
In the big blue world!
We're here with all our friends in the
Big blue world!
It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there? Let's hunt and know. The big blue world.
I'm not
Open wide. Have you got any fillings? Retainers? Crowns? Oh, would I get to see a good root canal? Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song. Just never stop.
Okay, explorers. And a sea bass. Facing the sea.
Oh, jellyfish skin
Next
too?
up, knowledge.
Okay.
Don't be
So
shy,
go open
explorers. It's time to come out of your shell. Bye-bye now. So long, explorers.
Hey, come on, get up. Step out first. Come on.